Hello, my name is Jesus Jaramillo. This presentation is for ITT 210 Assignment 3, Flip Those Plates. So the goal of this assignment here, of this program, is to send in frames to a call stack that we have, and the data should move one way, and then the data should move back in reverse. And the way we're going to do that is by adding two operators, the push and the pop. And push will move in frames and pop will remove the frames or the values. So, so this program will execute the adding and removal of frames to the stack. Um, we will know that the program is executing correctly because we will see the numerical values move from 1 to 4 and then from 4 to 1. So here we have our sample code here, and then I added the code in the middle, in the center here, to move EAX with the value of 1, move EBX with the value of 2, move ECX with the value of 3, move EDX with the value of 4, and then I added the operator, the push operator to each one. So push EAX, push EBX, push ECX, push EDX, and then I added the pop operator to remove frames. So pop EAX, pop EBX, pop ECX, pop EDX. And of course, EAX, EBX, ECX, and EDX are our registers. So when we run this, I have set up, made sure that our configuration here is correct. So we will see the register window open. So it's enabled there. So it will open up here, and we will see our registers and then the different values going through them and then back in reverse. So let's go ahead and run this program here. And then actually I put a point break here, since this the instructions for this assignment call for the manual running of these steps here. So we want the code to stop here, and we'll run it manually with the step over button. So I put my break right here. So we'll see that happen in a bit here. So let's go ahead and run the program. And the main program is running, and there is our break here. So right now we see just the registers here with their information already put. We have not manually ran anything yet. It stopped here, so now we will do that. So the first step over will happen, and we'll see our data change here. So EAX now has a value of 1. So there's our 1, which is what we want. So let's step over to the next one. And now EBX will have a value of 2, which is what we want. Now ECX will have a value of 3. And EDX will have the value of 4. Okay, so that's what we assigned. That's what we want. So now we're going to push EAX first, and that will move the individual frames to the call stack. So we're going to do that now. So first step over, and now we didn't see any changes here, but we do see that the code ran and it is now on EBX. So we're going to push now EBX. Next one, we're going to push ECX onto the call stack. And then we're going to push EDX onto the call stack. So we now see that that has completed. We do see some of the data here changing. Now we're going to see the data change here. We're going to go in reverse with the pop command. That is going to remove the frames. So we're going to do the first step over. And we see now that EAX has a 4 value instead of a 1. So we're moving in reverse. We're flipping the plates over as the assignment calls for, or the frames over. So now we're going to move one more, and we'll see that EBX has a value of 3 now instead of the 2. So we're going as we want to go in reverse. Now we're going to pop the next frame, So we see ECX has a value of 2 now instead of the 3, which is what we want. We're making our way back up the call stack. And finally, we see that EDX has a value of 1 instead of the 4. So we completed the cycle with the push and pop command. Now this here says no source file, which from my understanding means that the program has completed with no errors. So that is what we want to see. That means the data went from 4 to 1 with the push command, and from 1 to 4, I'm sorry, with the push command, and then from 4 to 1 with the pop command. So everything that was set out to be accomplished was accomplished with both operators. And this concludes the presentation for the assignment flip dose plates for topic 3. Thank you.